my dear kids, welcome to Kids Learning Corner. Let's we learn farmanimals. Come on. Horse, horse. Pig, pig. Cow, cow. Hen or chicken, hen or chicken. Sheep, sheep. Cat, cat. Duck, duck. Dog, dog. Goat, goat. Rabbit, rabbit. Turkey, turkey. Donkey, donkey. Let's learn again. Farmanimals. Let's we learn once again. Horse, horse. Pig, pig. Cow, cow. Hen, chicken, hen, chicken. Sheep, sheep. Cat, cat. Duck, duck. Dog, dog. Goat, goat. Rabbit, rabbit. Turkey, turkey. Donkey, donkey. Thanks for watching Kids Learning Corner. Subscribe my channel, my dear friends.